Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import Outlook contacts to Constant Contact. All right. So first up, on Outlook, go ahead over to the left panel right here, click on People. Now click on All Contacts or Favorites, whatever you want, if you have a list right here. Okay. Let's say, for example, I wanted to export all. I'm just going to go ahead and go to the top right. Click on Manage Contacts, Export Contacts. And here we have a drop down, click on it. And as you can see, the only option is All Contacts. So just go ahead and click on Export. Once done, go ahead and save it wherever you want. I'm going to name it as Outlook Contacts. All right. And then as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, it is set to a CSV. All right. So I'm just going to save it. Now I'm going to go ahead over to a Constant Contact. Now in here, in the left panel under Contacts, click on All Contacts. Wait for it to load. Now go to the top right, click on Add Contacts. Click on Import File. All right, here on the right side. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and upload the downloaded CSV file from Outlook. Click on Upload. This is the one. Click on it, make sure that it is highlighted. Hit on Open. Wait for it to upload. And after that, as you can see here, it got a check mark. That means that it is ready for importing. Hit on Continue. It says here we found 61 contacts to import. You can go ahead and review it if you want to. All right. And once done, just go ahead and hit on Next or Continue. It says here all fields must be mapped to continue. This one, birthday. Maybe I'm just going to skip this field. All right. Skip. Continue. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and add it to a new list. All right. So, for example, it says here, we'll automatically create a new list for this upload. If not, you can go ahead and create a new list. For example, here I have my Outlook list. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And then if you want some tags, go ahead and create a tag. If not, click on Import. Click on the tick box, Import. And here you have the results. It says here 4 imported with actual emails and 57 without emails. All right. When you go ahead over to List and Segments and go ahead over to Outlook right here. Here I have the contact list. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.